Hi fellow viewers to everybody. My name is Steve. I am the owner of this video account in this respective website, YouTube. I just received a chat message and also an email. Then the same question that I received. Sir Steve, is it possible that your full name will be published in Wikipedia because you are already known as world's famous necrologist? So aside from Filipino and foreign necrologists, the answer is why not? Yes, it's possible. The question is when? When will they recognize in the whole world? The answer is it depends. It can happen today, tomorrow, next week, 15 days, 30 days, or 1 month, or quarter, or even semi-annual. If not semi-annual, a year after. So it depends on that time duration. So for me, I'm prepared. So even if I die, at least I leave a memory as a necrologist practitioner in the whole world. By the way, my necrologist works is more on purely English. Then you will be the one who will translate. From example, if you cannot understand English, you can apply Google Translation, because I ask myself, why is in this world have so many language? There are so many dialects. So it's a big question mark for me. And I realized that in the whole world, we have so many dialects, the whole 7 continents. That is the one we need to face the reality. And there are so many languages that we cannot count on. Take note, English is just only a second language. Second language. Okay. So I hope that this simple necrological video will learn a lesson as a remembrance. Thank you so much for listening. Good evening.